Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will provide you the solution of our second lab, data engineer recovery and security skills. First lab, that is configure the application and enable point in time recovery for Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL. Okay, so it is the part of our red challenge and you can see the spots are still remaining. So if you didn't enroll in this challenge right now, then you can go and enroll in this challenge. Now, if you don't know how to enroll, you can check the video. I will leave the description link in the description box so you can check. So without wasting the time, start the lab, click on this, wait for the page to load completely. You can see there are total 3 tasks that we need to perform. Wait for the page to load and click on the start lab button. You will know it will create some instance. So right click on open Google Cloud Console, open it in incognito mode. It's important to open it in incognito mode, otherwise you will face certain problems. Now click on next button. You know email ID will be automatically copy and pasted up, so you don't need to worry about. Simply paste the password. Click on next button. Password is this one. You need to copy this password. Okay. Click on I understand button. Our Google Cloud Console will be loaded up since here. You must be familiar with these steps if you watched my previous videos. A pop-up will arise. We need to accept the condition and click on agree and continue. After that, we will activate our Cloud Shell. Click on top right button, this activation Cloud Shell. It will activate our Cloud Shell. Wait for it to synchronize. Click on continue. While it's loading, come back to the lab. Scroll down to the task 1. Copy the first code. Come here. Click on got it. Paste the code that we copied and hit enter button. It will ask you to authorize. So simply authorize. Come back to here. Scroll down, copy the second code. It will use to set the current date and time. So hit enter while pasting it. Now copy this, but don't copy the whole code. Copy from G cloud to equals to. Okay, is equals to the copy करना है हमें. Come back to here. Paste it here. Okay, I didn't copy it. So I did copied. Come back to here. First remove this whole. Paste it here. Don't press enter because we need to add some more code in this. Simply do what? Copy this 13 colon 25. Come back to here. Press the arrow key. Paste it. Now hit enter. Wait for it to load. Scroll down. Copy this fourth task. Come back to here. This code take a little longer, 1 to 2 minutes. Don't worry. Now you can paste the code. Hit enter. Wait for it to run. Now, as you can see, our fourth code was already gone run. So we can click on the check my progress button, and you will get a green tick here. Wait for it. Yes, you can see step completed. We get a green tick. But if in your case it throw any error or didn't show any green tick, then try it 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 times to click on check my progress repeatedly. You will get a green tick within 1 minute. Okay, so don't worry if it didn't throw green tick in first time. Okay, don't worry. Now back to the task 2. Copy this first code. Come here, paste the code and hit enter. Now this code will take 7 to 10 minutes to run completely. So you need to wait till this code runs successfully. You can't do any other things while this code is running. So one thing that you can do is you can subscribe to my channel in this time and make sure you hit the like button to this video. And if you have any query, you can ask me on the comment box. Comment box is already open for you. And if you have any other doubt, you can ask me in the Telegram group. I created a Telegram group, so the link will be in the description for the Telegram group. You can check this. Now what I will do, I will skip the video from here for 7 to 10 minutes because I don't want it to be lengthy. So wait for 7 to 10 minutes. I will meet you in the video soon. Okay. Now as you can see, our code is successfully run. It took me about 6 to 7 minutes to run successfully. Now what you need to do, come here in the search bar, type SQL, search for SQL and open the SQL. Wait for it to load. The page will open here, so wait for it. Now as you can see, the page is loaded. Simply what you need to do, click on this strict orders. Postgres order. A page will load. Now scroll down. Now click on this open cloud shell. When you click on this open cloud shell, a code will automatically pasted in this our shell, so don't need to worry. When you click on the open cloud shell, a code will automatically pasted in your cloud shell. What you need to do then, hit enter button, wait for it to load. Now it will also take around 2 to 3 minutes, so wait for it. I will skip the video. Now once it's completed, it will ask you for the password. Okay, so you need to enter a password. The password will be here. So scroll down simply. This will be the password. In a make a change to the Cloud SQL, point number 3, it is the password super secret. Okay, so copy it key very carefully without any extra spacing. Copy it, come back to here, paste it. Now when you paste the password, you won't see any password written here. The password will be invisible. So confidently paste the password and hit enter. Okay, it will automatically connect it. So let me shift it. You will see this postgres. Okay, so when you hit the enter button after pasting the password, you will enter into the ssh shell. So once you connect it, it will be show here postgres. Okay, so it means you get connected successfully. Now what you need to do, come back to here, scroll down, copy this fourth number of code, come here, paste the code, hit enter. It will again ask you for the password. So now simply copy this password, super secret once again, and be careful regarding the extra spacing. Paste the password. Once again, the password will not be visible. Simply hit enter and it will connect you. That's it. Now what you need to do, come back to here. Here, copy the sixth number of code, this one. Come back to here, paste it here, hit enter. It will show a table like this. Now come back to here. This is the output that we needed and it's the same. Now come back, scroll down, and now what you need to copy is this seventh number of code, that is this date one. So copy it carefully. Now watch carefully what you need to do. Click on this plus icon. Okay, click on this plus icon to open a new tab. Wait for it to stabilize connection with the another cloud shell. Now paste here the code that we copied. Paste it. That's it. Now come back to the lab and copy this code. Okay, 8 number of code. Copy this. Come back to here. Come back to the previous shell. Paste this code here and hit enter. It will also share a table like this. Now what you need to do? Come back to here. Copy this slash q code. Copy this. Come back to here. Paste it here carefully. Hit enter, and you will see your project ID once again. Okay. Now what you need to do, come back to the lab, scroll down. Now copy it carefully from export to the time and copy a extra spacing. Okay, copy it carefully, see, and copy, come back to here, paste it, don't press enter. Come back to the second shell that we opened, copy this timing from this, from here to here, copy it carefully. It will not get copy from control C. It will copy from control plus shift plus C. Okay, come back to the first previous terminal, click any arrow key. Just a second. I accidentally opened the developer shell. Now press the right arrow key on your keyboard, then paste what you copied, the timeline, then hit enter. Okay, it will run. Now this code will also take 10 to 15 minutes to run. It will take longer, so wait for it. So sit back and relax. That's you all can do. So I will meet you in the video after 10 to the 15 minutes. Till that I will skip the video. Okay. So if you see any warning or error at the end, don't worry. It will take 10 to 15 minutes for me to run, and it shows an error. Don't worry, it is common. Once it's loaded successfully or run successfully, come back to the lab. Simply scroll down, and click on the check my progress button. You will get a green tick. Don't worry about the error. Okay, so wait for it. It will throw a green tick. Uh, Also check my progress. There are total 2 check my progress in this lab, so complete both the check my progress, otherwise you will don't get any green tick. Okay, so let me check. There are total 3 check my progress actually. First in the task 1, second in the task 2, third in the task 3. So there are total 3 check my progress, and once you get all the green tick on the check my progress, you simply end the lab. Your lab is now completed. Click on the submit button, give the star rating that you want to give, click on submit button, come back, wait for page to be loaded, scroll down, open the lab, and you can see there's a green tick beside our lab. So that's the solution of this lab. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the Telegram group. Currently there are a total 83 subscriber on my channels. I'm hoping to hit the 100 subscriber very soon with your support. So please support me, please share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.